Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if it is clear, then today we'll start with another topic, that is human reproductive system. Okay, can you see the screen, student?
Yes, ma'am.
So human reproductive system. So by hearing the name human reproductive system, what comes to your mind? Reproductive means what? They will produce something. It's not it. Means they will make something. So the humans, they will make something. So what they will make? They will produce offspring. They will produce live offspring. Means a fetus or a baby. Okay, is it clear? तो ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, उसका नाम सुनने से क्या दिमाग में क्या आता है? रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम मतलब कुछ बन जाता है, ठीक है, कुछ बन जाता है। तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? यहाँ पे मतलब एक ह्यूमन मतलब एक इंसान बन जाएगा, ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्ट? यस। डिड यू
Yes,
अंडरस्टैंड?
ma'am.
ओके।
Ma'am.
सो human reproductive system, it is also known as genital system. Okay, it is human reproductive system. They are also known as the genital system. So, in this human reproductive system, what will you find? You will find that this biological system, they are made up of the anatomical organs. Okay, on anatomical organs, we will study in the next slide. And they produce what they produce. They will move with the help of or with the help of some sexual reproduction. That means they are involved in the sexual reproduction. Did you get? So, reproductive system is also known as genital system, and this reproductive system, they all are involved in what? They all are involved in sexual reproduction. तो ये रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम जेनाइटल सिस्टम भी बोल सकते हैं। और ये रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम कहाँ पे इन्वॉल्व है? ये लोग सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में इन्वॉल्व है ये लोग। ठीक है, समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस स्लाइड? Yes, everyone, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the reproductive system, what will happen? A new life will begin. New life will begin. What means? What means? Uh, as they will reproduce something, a new life, a new life will be formed. So this new life, it will be given by who? It will be given by the sperm. Sperm who makes the sperm? By the male. Okay, this male, they make the sperm, and with whom? With the egg. Okay, it is also known as ova, which you will see in the ovary. This ovary we will find in the female. In the female reproductive organs, you will find this egg. For us, it is also known as ova. And this ovary, which you will find in the testicle. Okay, this ovary, which will be, oh sorry, this ovary which you will find in the female, and testicle, we will find in the male. They are known as gonads. And what do they make? They make some sex hormones. Okay, they make some sex hormones. Okay, is it clear, everyone? सो ये रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स में क्या मिलेगा? रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स में ये स्पर्म, ठीक है, ये स्पर्म और एग मिलेगा। ये जो एग है कहाँ से आएगा? ये ओवरी से आएगा, मतलब ओवम जो फीमेल लोग बनाता है। और ये जो स्पर्म है, ठीक है, ये टेस्टिकल्स में होता है। वो कहाँ पे मिलता है? वो मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम को मिलता है, ठीक है। तो टेस्टिकल से मिलता है वो। तो ये ओवरीज और टेस्टिकल्स दोनों मिला के उसको क्या बोलते हैं? गनेट्स। और ये दोनों सेक्स हार्मोन्स बनाता है, ठीक है। Did you understand this part? Yes, did you understand or not this part, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in the human reproductive system, you will find two parts. It is the male and the female reproductive system. So, first let us discuss about the female reproductive system. तो ये ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में हम लोग को दो टाइप्स का मिलेगा। वो लोग क्या है? ये फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम और एक है मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। तो फर्स्ट पहले हम लोग ये फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो ये फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, ठीक है। तो ये फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स मिलेगा। So in the female reproductive system, you will find some female reproductive organs. So what are the name of those organs? There is the vagina, womb, which is also known as uterus, and fallopian tube, and ovaries. So these are the name of the reproductive organs. Okay, that is we will find in the female reproductive system. So first, let's see about the vagina. This one. तो पहले हम लोग वेजाइना के बारे में देखते हैं, यहाँ पे क्या होता है। So in the vagina, what will you get? You will get that they are muscular. Okay, it means they are made up of muscles. This vagina, they are made up of muscles, and you will find that there is a canal. Okay, canal means what? Means through which something can pass. Okay, so through which something can pass. And what is the length of the vagina? It is 7.5 centimeter long, and they are made up of muscle. And they are here in the vagina. What is there? There are some nerves, and you will find some mucous membrane under this vagina. Okay, you'll find some nerves and as well as some mucous membrane. And what will you find here in the female in the vagina? You will find that this vagina, they are connected by what? By the uterus. This is the uterus and cervix. Okay, this vagina, they are connected by the uterus and the cervix. So I'll repeat again. So this is the vagina, and they are a muscular canal. Means they are made up of muscle, and canal is there. Canal means through which something can pass. And what in the vagina there is nerves, and you can see some mucous membrane also. And in the vagina, what will you see? You will see that the vagina, they are connected to the uterus and the cervix. तो ये वेजाइना क्या है? ये मस्कुलर कैनल, मस्कुलर मतलब मस्सल से बनाया है। और यहाँ पे कैनल है। कैनल मतलब यहाँ पे इसके अंदर कुछ घुस सकता है, ठीक है। और ये कितना लंबा है? 7.5 सेंटीमीटर
Ma'am, I could not hear your voice.
ओके, कैन यू हियर मी नाउ? Raju Nursery, can you hear me now? Hello? Hello, can you hear me now? What about others? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
ओके, तो ये वेजाइना है। तो ये इसके अंदर क्या है? यहाँ पे नर्व्स है और म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन भी है, ठीक है। म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन मीन्स व्हाट? म्यूकस मीन्स दे आर स्लाइमी, दे आर स्टिकी एंड दे आर ट्रांसपेरेंट, ठीक है। तो ये जो वेजाइना है ये यूटेरस और सर्विक्स में कनेक्टेड है एक साथ। Okay, is it clear about this part? It is the vagina.
Ma'am, repeat one more time, ma'am, please.
Okay, so this is the vagina, which you will find in the female reproductive organs. Okay, they are included in the female reproductive organs. So what will you find here? In the vagina, you will find that they are a muscular canal, means they are made up of muscles and canal. Canal means what? Through which something can pass. And what is the length of the vagina? It is 7.5 centimeter long. The length of the vagina is 7.5 centimeter long. And in the vagina, you will find that there are some nerves. You will find some nerves, and also you will find some mucous membrane. Okay, mucous membrane. Mucous membrane means what? Mucus means what? They are slimy, they are sticky, and they are transparent. And you will find that this vagina, they are connected. It connects the uterus, this one, uterus, and the cervix. Okay, is it clear now? Roju nursery. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Hello. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next organ, next part is the uterus. This one. So uterus, it is also known as womb, W-O-M-B, womb. And this uterus, same thing, they are also muscular organ, means they are made up of muscles. And what is the shape of the this uterus? They are just like a pear, P-E-A-R, pear, okay? And which is situated how? Like upside down. Upside down means that ulta. Okay? And this uterus, they have a lining. This uterus, they have a lining which is known as endometrium. This part, endometrium. It is known as endometrium. This uterus, they have a lining which is known as endometrium. तो ये यूटेरस है, इसको वूम भी बोल सकते हैं. तो ये कैसे बनाया है? ये मस्कुलर ऑर्गन है, मतलब मसल से बनाया है. और ये यूटेरस दिखने में कैसा है? ये नाशपाती का जैसा है. पियर मतलब नाशपाती. नाशपाती पता है ना? हाँ
हाँ मैम.
हाँ, ये अगर नाशपाती को उल्टा साइड में रखने से ऐसा ही है दिखने में. ठीक है. एंड व्हाट इज, तो यहाँ पे लाइनिंग है, यूटेरस के अंदर लाइनिंग है, इसको बोलते हैं एंडोमेट्रियम. ठीक है. Did you understand about the uterus? It is also known as the womb.
Yes, ma'am.
So next is fallopian tube. This one. This is the fallopian tube. They are also known as uterine. Okay, they are also known as uterine. And these tubes, what do? Means they will extend. Means they will extend from the uterus, from each side. Okay, this side, left side, and right side. From the uterus, they will come out. That is right side and left side, both sides. And this fallopian tube, they will open near ovary. This is the ovary, and these to open near the ovary, both sides, right side and left side. And this fallopian tube, what do? They used to carry the egg. They used to carry the egg. It is from the ovary. Okay, this from the ovary. They used to carry the egg to where? To the womb. That is the uterus. This used to come here. It is the egg. the matured egg. Did you understand? I repeat again. So this is the fallopian tube. So in the fallopian tube, you will see that they are just like a tube from means they're just like a tube, and they used to extend from the uterus. I mean, they used to come out from both sides of the uterus. So this is the right side and the left side. So what will happen here? Here, you'll find that this fallopian tube they are attached with the ovary, both sides, and you will find that this ovary, from this ovary, from this ovary, what will you find? You will find that the egg, okay, the matured egg, they will go and travel through this fallopian tube, and they will go where? They will go to the uterus. Okay, that is the womb. तो ये fallopian tube है, ये fallopian tube ये यूटेरस से निकल आता है राइट साइड और लेफ्ट साइड दोनों साइड्स पे। तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है fallopian tube में, यहाँ पे जो ओवरी है, ठीक है, बोथ साइड, दोनों साइड, और राइट साइड, ये दोनों ओवरीज ये fallopian tube से अटैच होता है। तो ये अटैच होके क्या होता है, ये जो एग है, अंडा है ओवरी में, यहाँ से लेके आएगा, ठीक है, fallopian tube से लेके आता है और कहाँ पे रखता है, यूटेरस पे रखता है, ठीक है, वोम भी बोलते हैं इसको। ओके, इज इट क्लियर अबाउट fallopian tube?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is ovaries. So this one. So you will get two ovaries, right side and left side, both sides. So in the ovaries, what you will find? You will find that they are small shape. The size of the ovary is small, and you will find that they are just like almond shape. Okay, they are just like almond shape, and they contain what is there? Some glands. Some glands are there. Okay, they are made up of glands, and they contain ova. Means ova is there in the ovary, and this ovary, what do? They make some sex hormones, okay, which are made by the ovaries. The ovaries, they make what? They make some sex hormones. तो हम लोग को दो ओवरीज मिलेगा, ठीक है, राइट साइड और लेफ्ट साइड दोनों साइड्स में मिलेगा, और ये जो ओवरीज है ये लोग छोटा है, ठीक है, और ये almond 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 का जैसा है दिखने में, और ये यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे ओवा होता है इसके अंदर, और यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे ओवरीज सेक्स हार्मोन्स बनाता है, ये ओवरीज क्या करता है, ये लोग सेक्स हार्मोन्स बनाता है। Okay, is it clear?
Ma'am.
Okay, next is menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle also you will find in a female. At this menstrual cycle, you will find that it lasts for about 28 days. Okay, it lasts for about 28 days. And menstrual cycle means what? Menstrual cycle means if a woman uh, she doesn't get pregnant in the last cycle, okay, that's why it is to occur again. This menstrual cycle means what? Means it is making a girl or it is making a woman like to get pregnant. Okay, they make the female to get ready to be pregnant. So it means that the menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle, it means what? Means it makes the woman or else it makes the girl like to get ready for getting pregnant. And it starts from when? It starts from the stage of puberty. Puberty means what? Puberty means adolescent stage. Means when a girl starts getting or means starts getting like teenage age. Okay, teenager. So it starts from there till where? Till when it starts, till when it ends, till the menopause. Menopause means what? When a woman she stops getting periods. Okay, maybe at the age of 50, like that. When they stop having period, it is known as menopause. So menstrual cycle it begins from there. I'll show you. So menstrual cycle it begins from there, from the time a woman or a girl hit the age of puberty, okay, teenager time, till menopause. Menopause means when a woman they stop getting periods. And in this menstrual cycle, what will you see? You'll see that some hormones are being active in this menstrual cycle. So hormones like what? Hormones like estrogen and progesterone, they start getting active in this menstrual cycle. So this menstrual cycle, a woman or a girl will get each and every month. Okay. तो ये menstrual cycle क्या है? ये menstrual cycle कब से शुरू होता है? जब एक लड़के उसका प्यूबर्टी स्टेज होता है, मतलब टीनेजर टाइम। ठीक है, तो कहाँ तक होता है? टीनेजर के टाइम से लेके मेनोपॉज टाइम तक। मेनोपॉज मतलब अ, जब एक औरत उसका पीरियड्स खत्म होता है, मतलब बंद हो जाता है। ठीक है, टोटली बंद हो जाता है। जैसे कि बोल दो 50, ठीक है, 50 और एल्स 50 प्लस, ये सब उम्र में मेनोपॉज हो जाता है। तो यहाँ वहां से लेके मेनोपॉज तक बंद हो जाता है। तो ये मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल क्यों होता है? मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल मतलब एक लड़की नहीं तो फिर एक औरत को प्रेग्नेंट होने के लिए रेडी करता है ये मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल। ठीक है, और ये मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल में बहुत ज़्यादा हार्मोन्स एक्टिव भी होता है, और वो जो हार्मोन्स का नाम क्या है? एस्ट्रोजन और प्रोजेस्टेरॉन एक्टिव होता है। ठीक है, और यहाँ पे अंडा भी मतलब रिलीज होता है। So in the menstrual cycle, you will find that even the eggs also they get released from the what? From the fallopian tube to the uterus. Okay, is it clear about menstrual cycle till this point? Yes. Is it clear or not? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this menstrual cycle, you will find that they are divided into four phases. It has got four phases in the menstrual cycle. So the first phase is the menstrual phase, the second is the follicular phase, the third is the ovulation phase, and the fourth is the luteal phase. So these are the four phases which you find in the menstrual cycle. तो हम लोग को menstrual cycle में कितना phases मिलेगा? 4 phases. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट फेज क्या है? फर्स्ट फेज क्या है? menstrual phase. ठीक है, menstrual phase. सेकंड क्या है? सेकंड follicular phase. थर्ड क्या है? ओव्यूलेशन फेज। फोर्थ क्या है? ल्यूटियल फेज। तो ये चार फेजेस है हम लोग को मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल पे मिलता है। ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज के बारे में देखते हैं। तो फर्स्ट लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज। सो मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज, what will you find in the menstrual phase? In the menstrual phase, you will find that it is the first phase of the menstrual cycle, and in this phase, it is a menstrual phase. You will find that it is when it is the very first day. Okay, it is the very first day of the period, or it is the very first day when a girl starts getting period. Understand? Or else it is the very first time when a woman starts getting period. So it means that. And this phase, in this phase, it is the menstrual phase. What happens? Why it usually happens this menstrual phase? It usually happens because like a woman was not pregnant or a girl was not pregnant in the previous cycle. That's why this menstrual phase is occurring again. Understand? And in this menstrual phase, what will you find? You will find that hormone such as estrogen and progesterone, they will start to become active. They will start to become active. And in this menstrual phase, what will you find? You will find that some blood, some tissues, and also some mucus, they get discharged. They get discharged. Discharge means what? They will come out. They will come out from this vagina. And in this menstrual phase, you will find that it lasts for about 1 to 5 days, or else maybe 1 to 7 days, or else maybe 1 to 10 days. It will depend upon the person. So ये menstrual phase में क्या मिलेगा? ये menstrual phase एक पहला phase है, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? यहाँ पे जब मेंस होना स्टार्ट होता है, जो पहला दिन होता है उसको बोलते हैं मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज। और ये मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज क्यों होता है? क्योंकि वो लास्ट साइकिल में वो लड़की या फिर ये औरत वो प्रेग्नेंट नहीं था, तो इसकी वजह से ये फिर से आ जाता है, ठीक है? और यहाँ पे क्या होता है? यहाँ पे दो हार्मोन्स एक्टिव होता है। वो दो हार्मोन्स का नाम क्या है? एस्ट्रोजन और प्रोजेस्टेरोन। और ये मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज कितना दिन तक होता है? 1 से लेकर 5 दिन या फिर 6 दिन या 10 दिन भी होता है। एक इंसान के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। तो यहाँ पे मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज में क्या मिलेगा? यहाँ पे ब्लड, म्यूकस और टिश्यूज यहाँ से निकल आएगा, वेजाइना से निकल आता है। ठीक है, समझ में आ? Did you understand about menstrual phase till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you will find some symptoms also during the menstrual phase. That is, some abnormalities you will find, such as what? Abdominal cramps means pain in the stomach. Breakouts. Breakouts means what? Pimples. A woman or a lady or a girl starts having pimples. Next is tender breast. Tender breast means what? The breast of the woman becomes sensitive. Next is fatigue. Fatigue means weakness. A woman will start like feeling weak type. Okay, next is bloating. Bloating means the size of the stomach will increase. Next is headache. Means the head will pain. Next is mood swing. The mood of the girl, it will swing time to time, happy, sad, like that. Next is what? Lower back pain, means pain in the backside. Next is trouble sleeping, means the girl will have difficulty in sleeping. तो menstrual phase में नौ symptoms मिलेगा, मतलब abnormalities, ठीक है? जैसे कि abdominal cramp, उसका पेट में दर्द होगा, breakouts मतलब pimples होगा, tender breast मतलब उसका breast sensitive हो जाएगा, थोड़ा छूने से भी दर्द होगा, फटीग मतलब कमजोर, ब्लोटिंग मतलब पेट बढ़ जाएगा, उसका पेट का साइज बढ़ जाएगा, हेडेक मतलब सर दर्द, मूड स्विंग्स मतलब उसका मूड फ्लक्चुएट होते रहेगा। नेक्स्ट क्या है? लोअर बैक पेन, उसका पीछे में दर्द होगा, ट्रबल स्लीपिंग, उसको सोने में तकलीफ होगा, क्यों? क्योंकि दर्द की वजह से। Okay, is it clear about the menstrual phase, about the symptoms also? Okay. Okay, so for today we will discuss till here. It is the symptoms of the during the menstrual phase. In the next class, we will discuss about follicular phase, then ovulation phase, then luteal phase, and also about the male reproductive system. Okay, is it clear everyone till here for today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then, CR of DRT, Pinky, na? Pinky and Dicha Dekha, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you please take the attendance. And DPP, Gina.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you also take the attendance. Then DOT, Mahmuda.
Okay.
You also take. And DDIT, Surajit. Surajit Kalita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you also take the attendance. After taking the
Yes, ma'am.
attendance, you will inform me. I will end the class. Okay, are you all done? Are you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all the departments done? Okay, okay, then thank you everyone.